Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Teaching Hub. Today we will learn how to introduce myself. So let's start. My name is Anabia. I am a girl. I am 4 years old. I live in Pakistan. My father name is Sajad. He is a pharmacist. I have an elder brother. My mother name is Shano. She is a housewife. I study in prep class. My school name is AIPS. My favorite color is pink. English is my favorite subject. My hobbies is playing and reading. My best friend is Manal. That's all about me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.